You will see during the course of his rallies, he talks about fictional characters like Hannibal Lecter. He will talk about windmills cause cancer. And what you will also notice is that people start leaving his rallies early out of exhaustion and boredom.
People don't go to her rallies. There's no reason to go. And the people that do go, she's bussing them in and paying them to be there and then showing them in a different light. So she can't talk about that. People don't leave my rallies.
Sija u nofs dibattitu botta u risposta konfront dirett bejn il-Viċi President Amerikana Kamala Harris u l-avversarju tagħha l-ex-President Donald Trump. Kortezija, ħadu bidejn xulxin u telqu jikkumbattu.
Kamala Harris, let's have a good debate.
Have fun.
Thank you.
That war should have never started. She was the emissary. They sent her in to negotiate with Zelensky and Putin, and she did. And the war started 3 days later.
Yet again, I said it at the beginning of this debate, you're going to hear a bunch of lies coming from this fellow. And that is another one.
L-istħarriġ l-exit poll mal-intem il-konfront li sar Philadelphia poġġa lil Harris bħala l-iktar konvinċenti. Irnexxiela tpoġġi lil Trump fuq id-difiża.
This has been a disaster for people, for the middle class, but for every class. On top of that, we have millions of people pouring into our country from prisons and jails, from mental institutions and insane asylums, and they're coming in and they're taking jobs that are occupied right now by African Americans and Hispanics.
Let's talk about what Donald Trump left us. Donald Trump left us the worst unemployment since the Great Depression. Donald Trump left us the worst public health epidemic in a century. Donald Trump left us the worst attack on our democracy since the Civil War. And what we have done is clean up Donald Trump's mess.
And remember this, she is Biden. You know, she's trying to get away from Biden.
Clearly, I am not Joe Biden, and I am certainly not Donald Trump. And what I do offer is a new generation of leadership for our country.
Wara l-intfew id-dwal u għaskiet iż-żewġ kampanji tal-partiti demokratiċi u repubblikani fadlilhom triq iebsa qudiemhom biex jikkonvinċu lil madwar 240 miljun persuna eleġibbli li jivvutaw fl-elezzjoni presidenzjali tal-5 ta' Novembru.